Alright, today is National Fire Alarm Day, and this is going to be System Test 31. So let's get started. BG12, Firelight MS2, obviously. Federal Signal, Gentex Commander 1. Alright. In the bathroom, we have my Gentex Commander 1 remote strobe. This was white. 1575 Candela ADA. And I think it looks really good. So, we're going to activate both zones today. If you have epilepsy, do not watch this. And here we go. The strobes are in sync. We have selective silence. I'll do the system sensor I3. Alright, now we'll reset the pull station on the Firelight. There it is. Alright, do system reset. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.